Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.
In this video, I'm going to talk to you on my experiences as a portfolio manager. 4 years as a portfolio manager. That's what I'm going to talk to you about. Today, we complete 4 years of ithought PMS. It was a very interesting transition for me from being an investor to being an advisor to becoming a portfolio manager. There's a clear difference between advisory and portfolio management. The difference is discretion. An advisor can only put forward his ideas, and it is up to the investor to accept each investment idea and adopt it in his portfolio. Not so in the case of a portfolio manager. We take more control over the entire process end to end and try to do our best in delivering returns to the investor. These 4 years have been very educative for me because we have seen so many events in these 4 years. In August of 2019, we got our license. We got off to a very slow start in the PMS. We collected very modest sums of money, and by the time we had completed investing that money, it was February of 2020. We just finished investing the money and we were hit by COVID. At that time, we had one scheme, Solitaire, and assets under management of roughly 40 crores. It was extremely difficult for us because we had built our portfolio with many industries which were impacted more than normal by COVID. In the sense, what we got was a knock on the nose because we were invested in travel and tourism, hotels, and businesses which got affected more by COVID. More importantly, our business was not ready to digitally onboard clients at that point in time. Our offices were shut, so we were not really able to get too much money into the portfolio during the COVID lockdown. After the first lockdown, we opened up and still things were very slow and sluggish. We had not been affected so much by COVID as other peers. Our portfolio got hit much less, but still people don't look at it that way. So it was very slow post COVID, especially between the first wave and the second wave. But we had believers who still came forward and opened accounts with us. It was a gradual return to normalcy as far as our portfolio was concerned. We were investing very conservatively. We wanted to stick to the philosophy with which we had begun no matter what, so we didn't deviate post COVID and stuck to whatever we wanted to do. And gradually we were able to scale up our portfolio over the subsequent 1 or 2 years. In fact, during the first year, even during the post-COVID rally, we were not really performing to our own expectations because we were not investing in financials and financials were leading that rally. We were not investing in stocks that were leading that rally. We were invested in stocks which are far more conservative. But there comes a time when conservative stocks get their day under the sun. And that subsequently started happening for us, and gradually we started meeting the benchmark for us, which was NSE 500, and then beating the benchmark. During this period, we also developed new products. If there's one thing we did during COVID very effectively, it was planning new products. So post-COVID, we expanded our product suite from 1 to 4 public products and 1 customized product. So though we were a very young PMS, we used COVID to develop products expand our bandwidth both in research and product development, test our products very effectively during that period, and launch them. Today we have 4 public products, all doing reasonably well, attracting a lot of investors, and our total assets under management in ithought PMS is today north of 1400 crores. Solitaire alone is very close to 640 crores of assets. More importantly, we have created in each product an investment process that encourages investors to continuously participate, invest almost every month, make use of every opportunity that the market throws at us, engage constantly with our investors in each product, and help them achieve scale, meet their return expectations, and eventually achieve their financial goals. So in that sense, these 4 years have been very evolutionary for me and for our entire team, because we are serving the highest number of customers in our firm's history at this point in time. Most importantly, during this 4-year period, we have prepared ourselves to serve more number of customers than we presently do. And even as we scale up, the intent is to always prepare ourselves for higher scale well in advance. So these 4 years have steeled us and made us mentally and process ready to deal with much more clients, much more investors, and much more capital. So these 4 years have been very gratifying and very encouraging for me personally and for our entire team. Importantly, today we are happy that our products are solving very specific needs of investors. Each product solves a problem which an investor has relating to his own asset allocation, his own investment strategy, and his own wealth creation goals. We have created very novel concepts in our PMS which help an investor to pair 2 products. Pairing is one of the important concepts that we have put in play very successfully, and many of our investors are experiencing it. What is this? You subscribe to 2 PMS products and in the process put in 1 crore rupees in 2 styles which are complementary, and then invest incremental sums of money every month wherever opportunity is. Sometimes it may be in product 1, sometimes it may be in product 2, and your money goes precisely to where opportunity is most attractive. So in each product, investors invest according to opportunity and achieve much better returns than they would by doing conventional investing. Most importantly, our investors distinctly feel that they are getting a better investment experience by entrusting us with the investment management than they would if they went to a mutual fund or did their investing on their own. At the end of the day, if you deliver peace of mind to an investor, returns will follow. We are very thankful to all of you for all the support that you have given us during this 4-year period, and we look forward to having you participating in our products in what looks like a very exciting investing future. Thank you for watching this video.